Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm one of the English tutors here at Wolsey Hall. So this video is just to explain what an adverb is and how you might use them in your writing. So first of all, to explain what an adverb actually is. So you use them to add information to a verb. Often you need to just add the suffix ly and it will make the verb into an adverb. So quick becomes quickly. They tell you how or when an action is done, and here are a few other examples. So for example, Christina knits quickly, Emily suddenly appeared, and Pip came home late. Be careful though, because not every adverb actually uses the ly. So adverbs can also be a group of words. So here's another example. Pip crept through the house as quietly as a mouse. So as quietly as a mouse can also be an adverb or similar to that. You can also use them to describe adjectives. So words like really, quite, very, they're all adverbs because they will explain that adjective in a bit more detail. So for example, a very happy dog. So happy is your adjective and very is your adverb. You're adding information to that adjective. So it can also be used to describe another adverb. So Liam runs really quickly. You actually have an adverb describing another adverb.